We are a company that is based primarily in the southeast of England, and also have an office in Antwerp, and recently opened an office in Cardiff. Over the last 10 years, we've worked on and off with clients from the Wales and Southwest region, and we noticed that we needed to expand the business, and so we decided to look in the Southwest area. We were invited to a meeting with Cardiff Council and Ken Poole's team in particular to talk about what our plans were for the future and whether or not Cardiff Council could help us moving forward. They were very supportive, showed us lots of buildings and facilities in Cardiff city centre primarily where we could potentially rent and locate to. At the same time, they mentioned that it might be possible to get a grant to come to the Wales region because they were trying to attract life science companies into the Wales area. We are not a life science company, but we're a specialist engineering company that deals with the life science industries from consultancy through design and engineering. So we decided to have a look more closely at Cardiff. And when we did, we found this location now, which is close to the M4 corridor, well, on the M4 particularly, and that provided us with a good location. The quality of the workforce we've found to date is very, very good. We have only just started to recruit. We're now up to 6 people, but so far so good, and we hope in the next 12 months to 18 months that will continue. My colleagues that live in the Cardiff region have all told me how good it is for leisure, for shopping, for work, and within a 40-minute radius of the office, they've got lots of potential. House prices particularly, it's attractive to a lot of people, so very good.